second lesson of Standard 2. The name of the lesson is Growing Older. All of you please open your book and look at me. See here three diagrams are there, three pictures are there. Look at her. She is a child because her age is less. Look at her. She is a woman, young woman, because her age is little bit more with respect to her. And look at her. She is old woman because her age is more with respect to one young woman also. So you can understand based on the age there is a classification also. When you are little, that means in your age, all of you are a child. Your mother, she is a young lady or young woman, and your grandmother, it may be your maternal grandmother, she may be your paternal grandmother, or she may be your maternal grandmother, whoever may be, but she is a old lady or old woman. When your mother or you will, after long years, you also will become the old lady. We all will become old lady when after so many years. So this is a very important thing, that when did you born? On that time, was you like that? That means how are you like that? No, it was not, because when you were born, on that time you was a small child, small baby, newly born baby. On that time you was not able to do any work by yourself. Your mother did all the work of you, because I have told already that you are not able to do any work on that time. You was not able. So all the thing, all the work, whatever you have to do, she used to do on behalf of you. She was feeding you, she was protecting you, she was doing each and everything. In this way, you become a child now. Now, how are you, that one? After long years, then you will become a lady just like your mother, young woman. Next, your mother, now in this age, your mother is doing lots of work at all. Lots of work she is doing. So now you have to learn from her what the works she is doing. You also have to do the same thing. Next, if you will talk about the old woman, so definitely your grandmother or maternal grandmother or paternal grandmothers are coming. So on that time, you have to look into them, that yes, definitely all of you are having lots of fun with them. They are telling you the stories, they are telling you different ethical, mythological stories also, different funny stories also. So in this way, the relationship between you and they are very good. And one more thing, in this way, one baby child, if the baby child is one girl child, then she will become a young lady, and afterwards she will turn into one old woman. And if the baby child is a boy child, then after few years he will become a baby. And if a baby is a boy, then after few years he will become a man. And when few more years will be passed, on that time he will become a old man. So have a look at the picture. See here, he is a infant. Infant means the small kid. And see here, he is a man. young age. First one, your age, that one is the childhood or the child age. And your mother or father's age, that one is considered as the young age. And your grandmother or grandfather, that means your grandparents' age, that age is being considered as the old age. So there are three kind of age based on their age. Okay, so next we will talk about what the works we are doing. So first thing, already I have told you that when you were a baby, on that time you are not able to do anything. Now I think all of you have learned how to eat, how to do your own works. But when you was an infant, on that time you was not able to do any work. Your mother or your father, they used to do your own work. They was feeding you, they was caring you, they was protecting you, and they was looking into all of your needs. And now your mother, what your mother is doing, you also have to do the same thing, just like cooking. And if your mother is working, definitely all of you should do work. Definitely you have to be a successful person. And your mother is loving all of you, your father is loving all of you. So when you will become on that age, you have to do all the things. And one thing, the last thing, that means the old woman or the old age. This age is also very important. This one is the last time of our life, last part of our life. So at that time we all will go into that age after a certain time. So definitely those people whose age are the old, you have to look care of them, because they are loving us a lot. They are taking care of us, and they are our good wishes. They are our well wishers. They are giving us lots of stories, lots of teaching to us. We are getting from them. They are giving, they are sharing their different experiences with us. So all of you have learned that our lifespan is divided into three parts. First part is the childhood, next one the young age, and the last one is as the old age. So these three. Similarly, the lifespan of different animals and the plants also. Plants means the trees. Their lifespan also is divided into different parts. So let's have a look on the picture. See here, that one is a seed. This is after getting little amount of water, and if you will put it inside the soil, it will grow up like this. It is called the seedling. In the seedling situation, the seed is present and only few leaves are there. For the case of few more days, that means when few more days will pass away, on that time the seedling, it will become a plant. Plant means there is no seed present. In this case, you are able to distinguish very easily and clearly also the part which one is above the soil and which one is under the soil. Under the soil, this part is called the root of a tree or plant. Here plant, afterwards we will learn about the tree. Next, the part which one is above the soil. These are the leaves, different leaves. This one is the stem, and when it will grow more, on that time different branches will be there, different flowers, different birds. So these things are the different. But for the case of plant, you will be able to distinguish between the different part of the lots of routes, which one I didn't show here, but there should be a huge amount of route which one will spread located in a huge area. So these things are very related to our daily life, because our human life is being classified into three parts. This one is also being classified into different parts. And one more thing, one very important thing also, when we are growing up, on that time what is happening, our dress, our clothes, they are becoming small. Whether are they becoming small? No, actually they are not becoming small, because their size are fixed. You are growing up, that is why you are thinking that these are becoming small. On that case, what should you do? Should you throw it in dustbin? That means your clothes, your used shoes, should you throw it in those all the things in dustbin? No, you should not. I think you should donate the other needy people who need them. So actually there are so many people who don't have sufficient clothes, sufficient wearing things. So definitely you should not waste them, you should not throw them, you should give them, you should hand over them. So in this way you can help to our society like this. So they also may be helpful, you also, but those things are useful for those peoples who don't have anything. Anything means they have the deficiency of the clothes, so you should donate them. And that one is a big work also. So our lifespan is divided into three categories. One is when you was a baby, that means now also you are a child. So this one is the childhood, your childhood, all of you, whether you are a girl or boy, whatever may be. But now which life age, which time you are spending, that one is your childhood. After for few years you will spend through the young age. Then at the last it will come the old age. So these three kind of age we are passing and through our lifespan. And I have told already you that you should have care around the different people. That means different people means your parents, about your grandparents, and they always never leave them alone. Whoever may be, never leave them alone.